Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to download and install GCam on any HyperOS phone. Now to do that, just open the web browser on your smartphone. Now from here, just search GCam APK. Now from here, just open the GCam APK website. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Download Now. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Google Camera 9.6. Now from here, scroll down. Now scroll down and tap on Download for Xiaomi and Asus phones. Now from here, scroll down and download the last link, the Xiaomi 8.8 22. Now from here, just tap on Download anyway. Now it will take a few seconds to download the APK. Now from here, just tap on Open. Now from here, tap on Update. Now from here, tap on Open. Now from here, as you can see, this is how you can download GCam on any HyperOS phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.